The machines themselves are set up. It's a very simple system. It's an oscillating relay. The needles are soldered onto the end of a bar. That's a needle bar and needle. This is actually, we're going to start off with a configuration of 3.012 stainless steel solid needles. Unlike syringe needles, tattooing needles are solid. It's placed down into the tube. The ancient technology of rubber bands is just to give some flexibility to the needle so that it has the possibility of moving around within the context of that tube. And the bag, of course, protects it from any cross-contamination. Once we step on the paddle, we're getting a DC current running through the machine, which is causing the coils to magnetize, drawing the armature bar down very quickly. And when that circuit is broken, it demagnetizes, and then the spring tension draws it back up, and it does this back and forth motion, very much on the order of a doorbell system or a car point system. So it's now moving at about 3,000 repetitions per minute. Each machine runs at a different speed. Each machine has its own set of spring tension depending on what its function is, for line work or for color, for using larger configurations. The needles can go anywhere from 1 to about 25 for the outline. And on the shading, I've worked up to 50 needles in a cluster.